Since I posted earlier today about the wristband coming apart, I've been thinking about this a lot. How am I going to deal with this and wherein is the fault? I played around with it so much that it kind of got worse. It peels apart. But I think I figured out what's going on and I wanted to show it because it it's kind of interesting, at least to me. So once again, the latch works because this indentation is captured by a ridge inside of the end of the clasp. That is only supposed to release when this is rotated about its axis. That folds it down so you have a direct, straight path to go in and out. But I find that there's actually a second axis of motion that it shouldn't have, and that is up and down. And because it moves in this direction, up and down, when I pull straight back, and the angling on this piece gives it kind of a 45-degree force with some of that force in the perpendicular direction, it can simply push down to the point where it can escape where it's supposed to be captured. Quite disappointing, but now I understand why it's happening. So what could be done about this? Well, I guess if this thickness dimension, there we go, if that was a little bit thicker such that it, stretched this on its axis as far down as it can go, maybe then it wouldn't have that issue, right? Because it would already be at the extremity and it would still have a little bit of a catch inside of it that could grab onto something. That being said, I'm not sure if that works. Really, this is designed so that it only has one axis of motion, which is that rotation. But the fact that it rotates and translates ruins the effectiveness of the catch. I think that's why it pulls apart, because it can slide down to the point where the catch just doesn't extend far enough upwards to hold on to the band.